Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. I am gonna be trying and reviewing my first impressions on the LottaBody Milk and Honey. And this is their leave-in conditioner and their styling mousse. So they're not new products. It does still say new, but I mean, how new? I don't know. But I saw them in the store and they caught my eye and I was like, why not? Let's see how these work. These are supposed to be very hydrating, and you guys know I love hydrating hair products because my hair is processed and it needs as much hydration as it can get. And real quick, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Sade and I like to review products for curly hair. And if you're into that sort of thing, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in with the Nourish Me leave-in conditioner. It doesn't smell like milk and honey. Actually, it does smell like honey, but has an interesting smell. Very sweet smelling. Smells nice if you're into that sort of thing. So the consistency, it's like a medium consistency. It's not super thin feeling and watery, and it's not thick. So I like how this feels going through my hair. It actually is really detangling my hair. And I did detangle my hair in the shower, but some products, they just like stick. I don't know how to explain it, but this is just gliding through nicely, so I like it. So next I'm gonna go in with the Refine Me Mousse, Curl Defining Mousse. This is actually supposed to provide a medium hold for soft curls. So I'm a little bit concerned about the hold because I like a good hold, but I also love soft curls. So I'm hopeful. We'll see how this works out. It's like your typical pump mousse foam. More foamy than moussey. Very thin. It goes through the hair really nice, and immediately it's already like clumping these curls together. It's like gliding through so easily. It's very slippery, which I like that. And I don't know if that's because it's in conjunction with the leave-in conditioner, if it would feel the same by itself. So far I like it. Even though it's like a very watery foam, I can feel it going in my hair, which I like. I like to feel the products in my hair. Okay, so here's what my hair is looking like so far after putting in the mousse. And it looks good. I have not high hopes, but I'm hopeful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry and I will be back to show you what it's looking like. All right, so I am back and here's what my hair is looking like. There's definitely some frizz up there and just an aura of frizz. I mean, the definition to frizz ratio, it's all right. It's not super frizzy, but like here, there's like little pockets of frizz. But close up, you know, the definition, it's okay. There's definitely soft definition, but I don't know. I'm not 100% happy with the results, to be honest with you. Looking at it, and comment down below if you disagree or how you feel, but just looking at it, it almost feels like second day, third day hair, and not in a good way, you know, because usually we want our first day hair to look like second day hair because of the volume, and it's a little bit softer usually, but still defined. Like second day hair is like best day hair. But for me, I don't know. I'm not happy. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not happy with it. Like, it doesn't look horrible. So it's not like I will never use those products again, but I'm just a little bit disappointed. But I will say one thing, it did rain today and my hair did get a little bit wet. So that could have had something to do with it. I don't feel like it got rained on enough to have made a difference, but who knows? Who knows? I might attribute like some of this frizz and like the unwanted softness to the rain, maybe. In regards to how my hair feels, it does feel nice. It does feel moisturized, so that is a plus. And I think that's also one of the reasons that I haven't decided to completely cut off this product. And I probably will give it another try, another chance, because my hair feels nice. But I don't know. I wanted more definition like this. It's just like a wonky curls. I don't know. It's not my best curl moment, you know? My final thoughts and review on the LottaBody Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner and Mousse. It depends on the hair. If you have hair like mine, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. I think the leave-in, yes, because I feel like it left my hair very soft and moisturized, and a leave-in's a leave-in. So you can always pair this with a different styler. Maybe not necessarily this styler, but it depends on your hair type and what you're looking for. If you like lighter products and your hair responds to less is more and lightweight products, then I would recommend both of these because they will be fine in your hair. But if you're the type that your hair responds better to heavier products, creamier products, thicker products, like I said, you can't go wrong with this leave-in, and you can always use something else to style it, but probably not the mousse. It's very lightweight, and it does say it's a medium hold. So there's that. So I wouldn't not recommend these products because I could tell even feeling them that they're good products, but for my hair, it didn't work out. This concludes my first impressions and review on the Milk and Honey LottaBody products, the leave-in and the mousse. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.